here we are in South Wales on Pembrokeshire Beach, or the beach to Pembrokeshire Country Park. I don't know if it's called Pembrokeshire Beach actually, but it's an 8 mile long sandy beach. You know, you could be in California. Look at it, look. And this is a blue flag beach, which means it's spotless. And this is our Simba having a stroll off the lead. He loves the beach. Our little ones. I think Di's going to let them off the lead soon. But it's a beautiful sunny day here in South Wales, and it's actually, there's a nice breeze here on the beach, which is nice because it is actually quite hot. I think Simba is going to head for the ocean and start drinking the salt water. Bless him. Good boy, Sim. Good boy. Oh wow. Well, that's a specimen of a jellyfish. Now all the dogs are off now. He loves being off the lead. He's going to go after the birds. He's going to go after the birds. There it goes. Oh, the closer you get to the ocean, the windier it gets. Wow. The reflection on the wet sand of the sky. Place to be able to let your dogs off to enjoy it all. There's Simba. Now I'm going to have a drink. I've got bottles of water on me, so I'll give him them. Absolutely loves it. Really does enjoy it. If you see what's this under my feet? It's so soft. Hello, Sparky. He's our little pigeon.